Welcome back, guys. So today we're going to be doing some smoke pizza on our Pit Boss Pro series. My name is RJ and this is Beginners Barbecue Outdoors. Alright, welcome back, guys. So if you guys haven't tried smoked pizza, I think it's one of the best ways to cook pizza. Now this is a take and bake. This is something that we got at Papa Murphy's. I don't know if you guys have that. I think it's West Coast, something like that, and then on the East Coast it might have something different, but it's a take and bake pizza. Now this is real simple, easy, and the flavor that the smoker gives to these pizzas is it's delicious. It gives it that wood fire taste. So if you guys ever been to those pizzas that cook on a wood fire and you have that wood fire taste, smoking these pizzas will give it that same taste. All right, so how we're gonna cook these pizzas? We're gonna put our Pit Boss to 250 degrees. Now, when you buy a take and bake pizza, right, it comes with a cardboard that comes underneath. Now, our goal is we need to take this off. Now, right now we can't because the dough is not cooked. So once we put it in our Pit Boss, I would say about normally around right before 10 minutes, right under 10 minutes, you'll be able to take this off. It'll just slide out. Then we'll cook it for another 10 minutes around there to really get that smoke flavor into the dough too. All right, so here we have, what we have here is a pepperoni. This one is half and half. So this is for the kids and this is for what me and my wife like. So she likes the garlic chicken and this half is pretty much what I like, and it's Canadian bacon, sausage, and jalapenos. For me, pizza, I have to have jalapenos. I love that taste with the jalapenos in it. So that being said, let's go ahead and fire up our pit. All right, our Pit Boss is at 350 degrees. Let's add our pizzas. Go ahead and add our pizzas in here. So these are 2 large pizzas, and if they fit well, a lot of room still. Maybe a family size and a large, or maybe even 2 family size might be able to fit in this thing. So that's great. So we'll be back within 10 minutes to try to take that cardboard off. All right, it's been 10 minutes. And they're looking great. So let's see if we can try to take this out of here. And it looks like we can. So now we just want to roll it out just like that. Same thing to this other one. And then just take it out. Just like that. So now we'll be back in about another 5 minutes to give them a nice rotate. We'll be back. All right, another 5 minutes have passed. A total of 15 minutes total cooking time so far. Oh yeah, it's definitely getting there. So we're just gonna turn it halfway. Like that, and then we'll be back in another 5 minutes. All right, so another 5 minutes have passed. Total time now is 20 minutes, and it's pretty much almost there. Almost there, so we'll be back in another 5 minutes to see where we're at. All right, so it's been another 5 minutes. Total time we're at as 25 minutes, and it's looking great. Nice crust on the bottom. The top looks good. I say it's ready to come out. Now you can go ahead and use the cardboard that you took it out on. And so now we're just gonna go ahead and turn it off. This is how easy it is. Just go in there, hit that power button, turn it off, yes. So now the grill is turned off. Now it's going to ask you if you want to save this cook. So yeah, you go ahead and save it. That way next time you just hit pizza and it should be that same setting. But yeah, that's how easy that is to turn it off. We'll be back. All right, we're back. So before we get into this, I have a quick recap of what we did today. All right, so there you have it. It looks great. We're excited to try this. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the pepperoni first because my son is out there waiting for it. It's nice to have one of these cutters. It makes it so much easy. And so, let me see, a small piece. There you have this one, and you can see the bottom part, how it is, and it's like, oh, so good. Let's go ahead and give it a try. It's not bad. Depending how crispy you want it, how well done in the bottom you want it, how everything you like. Certain people like different styles. 25 minutes is good enough. I think I would go an extra 5 minutes. 25 minutes is still good enough. It's really good. So yeah, but also make sure you hit that like, hit that subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.